Yo, what's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Simply Andrew95 here. I'm here to do another opening for you guys and girls. And guys, I did manage to get me one of the Darkrai boxes that went on sale at Walmart for 20 bucks. So guys, I already did open up the packaging just to save some time. So guys, here are the promos. These are the well, these are not actually the promos. These are just, the V and V-Star Darkrai cards you get from, I think it's Astral Radiance. So we're going to see what else we can get. Of course, guys, I don't know if you guys got it in y'all's box, but instead of getting like this type of V-Star marker, I got like a big card type of V-Star marker. So that is pretty awesome. And of course, guys, we do get some pats. We can't excuse. Oh, well, here is the code card for the Darkrai V-Star Premium Collection. But anyways, guys, we do get Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, my favorite Brilliant Stars. We get 2 Brilliant Stars. We get another Lost Origin, and then we get 3 more Astral Radiance. I think I'm going to save Brilliant Stars for last and just open up Astral first. You know what? We're gonna open up Dialga first, Palkia second, Decidueye third, and Typhlosion last, because I have a feeling I can get something out of Astral. Maybe an alternate art, maybe a full art, maybe something. But yeah, guys, this was a very good deal. Of course, I got mine online. I got, I don't think my stores are gonna have the display yet of these Darkrai boxes, so my mom was able to get me one. Lightning Energy, and it is Leaf Energy. And we are underway, guys. We got a Canceling Cologne, Piloswine, Gardenia's Vigor, Scyther. I love that art of Scyther. I love Scyther nonetheless, guys. We got a Barboach, Eevee, Heracross, Mantine, Rampardos for the reverse, and hey, a Leafeon. Okay, not bad. Alright, guys, let's see if we can pull something out of our... I was shocked the fact that we got 4 Astral, but I'm guessing they gave us the set that had Darkrai in it the most. I'm guessing they want us to pull another Darkrai, I guess. There's another Astral code card. Fire Energy, and it is Darkness. Hello, Darkness, my old friend. Shout out to Old Time Pokey. We got a Hisuian Electrode, Gutsy Pickaxe. Sorry, guys. DeWatt, Pet Alil, Bergmite, Hippopotamus, Cyndaquil, my favorite, Gen 3 or Gen 2? I'm always getting it confused, guys, so. Alright, Pawniard, Hisuian Arcanine for the reverse, and a Rapidash. Okay. Yeah, guys, it's been so long since I've pulled a Trainer Gallery card. Apparently Trainer Gallery cards are starting to get a little bit hard to find. And yes, guys, I know I'm revealing the color of the code card. Water Energy. Hey, there we go. But I want you guys kind of get a sneak peek now. We got a Whiscash, Temple Asino, Ursaring, Hisuian Quillfish, Hisuian Basculin, Poochyena, Glam Meow, Yanma. Ah, man. Regigigas for the reverse. And a Togekiss for the holo. Okay. So far, nothing. Well, a holo, but no ultra rare so far. Let's see if we can change that, guys. Let's see if we can change that. Let's see if we can change that. Let's see if we can at least pull a trainer gallery. I mean, if nothing else, we can pull a trainer gallery. Alright, fighting energy, and it is metal. Alright, we got a Sweet Honey, Canceling Cologne, Piloswine, Hisuian Growlithe, Hisuian Voltorb. They do have a box of that for 20 bucks I might snag in the future. We got a Ponyta, Rowlet. There we go, a failing trainer gallery. Okay. And a Hisuian Overquill. That is awesome. Alright, guys, we got four more pats, 2 Lost Origin, and 2 Brilliant. Alright, that pat disintegrated. Hopefully I don't bend the card or anything. Of course, guys, Astral, in my opinion, has some awesome trainer galleries because they got the birds. They got the legendary birds. Fire Energy. And it is Psychic. I saw something already back there, guys. We got a Lady, Hisuian Sliggoo, Electrike, Ghastly, Binacle, Murkrow, Wurmple, Clefairy, Tynamo for the reverse, and a Drapion V. Okay. I knew it was just a V because, you know, we don't get those alternate arts around here. I mean, Simply Andrew just gets the simple pulls. I mean, we don't get no alternate arts. Alright, guys. Last pack of Lost Origin, guys. And like I said, guys, I do need to open me up some Lost Origin, some more Fire Energy. There we go. Now we're on a roll. We got a Panic Mask. No time to panic, guys, because we are on a roll, guys. Lampet, Rhydon, Horsey, All Wild the Mawile, Shellos, Binacle, Porygon, NK for the reverse, and a Parasect. Alright, guys. 2 more packs left. Charizard Brilliant Stars, Whimsicott Brilliant Stars. Of course, we're going to save Charizard for the finale. Guys, I am still looking for that alternate art Charizard. That's the last Charizard I need. I got the rainbow, I got the full art, I got the V and a V star. I didn't even guess the energy, guys. My bad. Weavile, Fratzer, Team Yelcheer, Cherubai, Riolu, Starly, Spiritomb, Purloin, Artillery for the reverse. Oh, my bad. Artillery Trainer Gallery and a Dusknoir. My goodness, come on. We don't need holos. Simply Andrew needs ultra rares. Alright, can Brilliant Stars give me something? There we go. I need to open up more Brilliant Stars, guys. Water Energy, and it is Fire. We got a Marnie's Pride, Grotle, Clang, Milcery, Shinx, Impidimp, Golett. Cast form. Dang! Adds you for the reverse. Oh my gosh, guys. This is a little cutie, though. I can't get mad at a little cutie pie. Adds you for the reverse and an Escavalier. Oh my. Okay, so to the person that told me I was guaranteed good pulls from this box, yeah, I don't know what you were on that night, but I mean, I can't complain. I did pull two trainer galleries, two trainer gallery cards and a V that I already have. But anyways, guys, that is today's video. If I can get this sleeved. But yeah, that is today's video. If you guys did enjoy the video, guys, I am feeling a little better. People have been asking me how I've been feeling today. I've been toughing it out, guys, the last few days. Of course, you guys have been hearing my death coughs, so I'm sorry about that, guys. But I wanted to make these videos. I don't want to get too far behind as far as you know, the videos, because guys, starting tomorrow, as I put my pulls there, starting tomorrow, I will be opening up the Charizard Ultra Premium Collection. You know, of course, the Charizard UPC has a lot of pats. I'm going to do it like a booster box. I'm going to open up 4 pats tomorrow, starting tomorrow, up until I get done with all the pats. This upcoming Friday, I will be getting the Arceus Ultra Premium Collection from GameStop. And like I said, guys, I am going to try to be getting some Silver Tempest in the future. I might get some on Friday, who knows. But yeah, but anyways, guys, if you guys did enjoy the video, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Also, guys, subscribe. Remember, my giveaway is on my community tab. Like I said, the rules to enter on YouTube is over there. The rules on, if you're on Twitter, is on my account. So, like I said, that giveaway ends on the 18th of this month. So, don't miss out, guys, because I do have some, I hope, excuse me, guys, awesome cards, hopefully to add to somebody's collection. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.